Assalamu alaikum aspirants. This lecture focus on key concepts in civics and ethics for CSS and MPT preparation. It covers more philosophy, social values, justice, rights of minorities, and the role of the state in ethical development. So understanding these questions and explanation will strengthen your foundation and improve exam performance. So फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं इस लेक्चर को, और हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि एथिक्स इज़ द साइंस ऑफ ब्यूटी, ट्रूथ, कंडक्ट या फिर माइंड। तो इसका सही जवाब है कंडक्ट। एथिक्स इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ ह्यूमन कंडक्ट, एग्जामिनिंग व्हाट इज़ राइट एंड रॉन्ग एंड हाउ इंडिविजुअल्स शुड बिहेव इन सोसाइटी। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि अंडर विच लॉ आर अडल्ट्री रिलेटेड पनिशमेंट्स कैरिड आउट इन इस्लाम। तो इसका सही जवाब है हदूद ऑर्डिनेंस। ठीक है, इन इस्लामिक लॉ हदूद पनिशमेंट्स कवर ऑफेंसेस लाइक अडल्ट्री एंड थेफ्ट विच आर आउटलाइन अंडर द हदूद ऑर्डिनेंस इन पाकिस्तान। देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस इन सोसाइटी। इसका सही जवाब है दे हेल्प प्रिजर्व कल्चरल आइडेंटिटी एंड वैल्यूज़। Customs and traditions provide cultural continuity, teach social values, and strengthen community identity. Next question, which day is considered a special day of worship in Christianity? Sunday, Friday, Saturday, or none of these? तो इसका सही जवाब है Sunday। ठीक है, Sunday Christians observe Sunday as the main day for congregational worship, commemorating the resurrection of Jesus Christ. The next question, famous philosopher Kant belong to which country? Russia, Germany, Spain, none of these. So इसका सही जवाब है Germany. Immanuel Kant was a German philosopher known for his works on ethics, moral law, and reason. Next question, under an Islamic state, what rights are given to non-Muslim minorities? Equal civil rights, no rights, limited civil rights, or none of these. तो इसका सही जवाब है limited civil rights. Non-Muslim minorities in an Islamic state are guaranteed civil rights, protection, and religious freedom, but some political or religious privileges may differ. So next question, the principle punish the sin, not the sinner, is based on which theory of justice? Redistributive theory, reformative theory, deterrent theory, या none of these? तो इसका सही जवाब है B option, reformative theory. Reformative justice focus on correcting the behavior of the offender rather than purely punishing them, aiming for moral improvement. The next question, what are the literal meanings of the word ethics? तो इसके literal meanings क्या हैं? Understanding human nature, study of morality, both and B, and none of these. So both and B सही जवाब है। Ethics involves understanding human nature and the systematic study of moral principles guiding human behavior. The next question देखते हैं, what is the tax levied on non-Muslim farmers and landowners called? जुजिया, खराज। तो इसका सही जवाब जुजिया है। ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए। जुजिया is a tax imposed on non-Muslims living in an Islamic state, granting them protection and exemption from military service. The next question, which of the following is not considered as ethical issue for researchers? तो इसका सही जवाब है secure storage of raw data। ठीक है, ऑप्शन डी, secure storage of raw data. While important for researcher integrity, secure storage is a technical issue. Ethical concerns include participant consent, privacy, and honesty in reporting. The next question, Aristotle considered which factor central in moral decision making? तो इसका सही जवाब है ए, self restraint. Aristotle emphasized virtue and self-control as the key elements in achieving moral and ethical behavior. अगला क्वेश्चन है कि the state is a moral institution essential for the complete moral development of humans. This view is attributed to. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, idealist. ठीक है, idealist philosophers argue that the state plays a central role in promoting moral and ethical growth of citizens. So these questions cover ethical principles, civic responsibilities, and philosophical foundations of governance. Understanding the explanations will help you analyze moral dilemma, appreciate the role of law in society, and answer civics and ethics questions effectively in CSS and MPT exams.